Are you ready to unlock the secrets to creating viral videos and skyrocketing your YouTube success? We're about to reveal the exact strategies and tips that can help you create videos that go viral instantly. And guess what? This isn't just about fame. It's about cashing in on your passion. That's right. Viral videos have the potential to earn you big money. So if you're ready to supercharge your YouTube journey to create viral videos and turn your passion into a money-making machine, then buckle up. Subscribe now. Hit that like button and ring that notification bell because your path to viral video success starts right here. Let's make it happen. Here's 3 videos that we're going to make today.
Florida man strikes again with his crazy antics in the Sunshine State. From using Florida as a magical cure for kidney stones to inventing a street-legal jet ski, this guy never fails to surprise. But things take a radioactive turn when lawmakers allow a chemical byproduct to be used. In a bizarre turn of events, a chatty parrot named Polly has been elected as the mayor of a quaint town. Polly's campaign promises included unlimited birdseed and shorter work weeks. Residents couldn't resist her charismatic squawks and now eagerly await her first official tweet from the mayor. In a classic case of "get off my lawn," a Florida man took his property rights a little too seriously and shot his neighbor who was just innocently trimming trees. The 78-year-old man, Edward Druzilowski, apparently thought he was Clint Eastwood in a Western movie and threatened to shoot the
Wow, they actually looked good. AI created those 3 videos in less than 2 minutes. Believe it or not, I'll show you. We're going to be using VideoGen. VideoGen is not a video editor. It's a video generator. VideoGen helps influencers start and grow a channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. Do it all without needing to show your face. VideoGen intelligently searches and compiles relevant clips in the background of your video as B-roll, safe for commercial use. Experience the world's most advanced text-to-speech engine that generates natural-sounding voices for your videos. Stop wasting time editing videos. Just click Generate. Let's go to videogen.io, create an account or sign in with your Google account like I will. Let's click on Article Summarizer. This will summarize any article link that you give it into a video. Let's open Google and search for an article. I will search for some crazy Florida man news from 2023. I will click on the second link and copy the article link and paste it on videogen.io. Change the writing style. You'll have different options from comedic, conversational, informative, persuasive, and much more. I'll choose comedic for this video so it can make it a tad bit funny. Now click Summarize. Wow, that was fun, and that actually looks great. Let's change some other settings while we are at it. Make sure Dynamic Scenes is on and not static. This will give you animated moving stock footage instead of images. Change the voice to any voice you wish, whichever sounds more human-like and not an AI. Last bit will be the captions. I like the YouTuber font, and I'll make it bold and change the size to massive. Now comes the fun part. Click Generate on the right and watch the magic happen. Holy cow, I kid you not. That was only 6 seconds it took to generate this video. I'm impressed. Let's click play and see how it looks.
Florida man strikes again with his crazy antics in the Sunshine State. From using Florida as a magical cure for kidney stones to inventing a street-legal jet ski, this guy never fails to surprise. But things take a radioactive turn when lawmakers allow a chemical byproduct to be used in road construction, potentially turning Florida man into a glowing superhero. And let's not forget about his epic quest for a good internet connection, which ends in a stolen SUV, a police chase, and a motel room arrest. It's safe to say that Florida man's Bluetooth connection is the least of his worries.
Haha, Florida man needs some Bluetooth upgrade. Anyways, that looks great. Everything matches, and VideoGen made the article a bit funny. I will export this and do a quick video edit in CapCut and give it some more effects. Enjoy the edit.
Florida man strikes again with his crazy antics in the Sunshine State. From using Florida as a magical cure for kidney stones to inventing a street-legal jet ski, this guy never fails to surprise. But things take a radioactive turn when lawmakers allow a chemical byproduct to be.
Wow, I'm still impressed how fast it generated that video. And the final result looks even better. You can make 10 videos in less than 2 minutes. Just have all your links ready and just paste away and generate and download. Hope you guys learned something today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. And we can't wait to see you in the next step of this incredible journey. Thanks for being part of our community. And until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep innovating.